Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're looking at an oil that's really getting some attention in natural formulations, Rice Bran oil.
Yeah.
We stumbled upon this fantastic blog post about it over at 420formulator.com, and honestly, its versatility kind of surprised us.
Oh, absolutely. That post really does lay it all out. And, for anyone who doesn't know, 420formulator.com is run by Mike Harmon, the 420 formulator.
Ah,
He's a retired professional cosmetologist, tons of experience, custom salons, spa stuff. And he's really cleverly brought cannabis into the mix, CBD for pain relief, THC for the more, let's say, fun side. And he really nails explaining how adaptable rice bran oil is in his writing.
yeah, you can tell he really knows his ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
So for you listening, maybe you're into natural skincare or perhaps looking to boost your hair care game or even thinking about making your own infused products at home. Well, we're going to explore why this seemingly simple oil is actually quite a big deal.
Definitely.
So, okay, first things first. What is rice bran oil? Simple answer.
Yeah.
It's from the outer bit of the rice grain, the nutrient-packed layer.
Right, or Rhiza sativa, technically. Part of the grass family, Coaceae.
And while it might seem like a new trend here in the West, it's actually been used for ages in Asia, like
Yes.
centuries. Kitchens, skincare.
Yeah, the history, especially in Japanese and Korean skincare, is fascinating. There's this lovely story
Oh, yeah.
about women working with rice bran, noticing their hands getting super soft, younger looking. It led to this compliment, komenuka bijin.
Komodubijin.
Yeah, basically meaning someone with that beautiful, soft, natural glow, like their skin's been treated with rice bran, shows how long they've known about its benefits, really.
That's really cool. Ancient wisdom proving true again. So how do they actually get the oil out?
Well, it comes from the milling process, specifically the husk and the germ, the parts usually tossed out to make white rice.
Ah, the bits we normally don't eat.
Exactly, but they're full of good stuff. Cold pressing is usually the way to go now to keep all those nutrients intact.
Makes sense. Keep it pure.
And after pressing, there's usually a bit of filtering, refining. This gets rid of waxy esters, other residues.
Okay.
What you end up with is this really clean, pale yellow oil. Almost no scent, which is great. And importantly, it lasts longer on the shelf, more stable against oxidation.
Right.
And interestingly, those waxy esters they remove, they can refine those into a hard wax. It's actually a pretty good vegan sub for beeswax.
Wow. Using every part. So what's the feel of the oil itself? Heavy? Light?
It's considered semi-fatty, so it's light, definitely smooth, absorbs, I'd say, moderately fast.
Okay, so not instantly gone, but not greasy either?
Exactly. Leaves skin feeling soft, nourished, but without that sticky feeling. That's a big plus for me, too.
Yeah, me too.
They call it a middle note oil. Lasts longer than super light ones like grapeseed, but it's not heavy like, say, avocado or castor oil.
So it's versatile.
Very. You can use it like a short oil for the face sinks in nicely,
Right.
or as a long oil for body massage where you need that glide.
Interesting distinction.
And the reason it feels like that and does all these things is down to its chemical makeup. It's packed.
Okay, let's get into that a bit. What's inside?
Well, you've got your key fatty acids. Oleic acid, that's an omega-9, makes up a good chunk. Great for softening skin, protecting it, locking in moisture. Then there's linoleic acid, omega-6, also quite a bit of that. That's crucial for hydration, supporting the skin's barrier.
Right, the barrier function is key.
Totally. And you also get palmitic and stearic acids. They add conditioning, emollient properties, more barrier support. Plus a little eicosanoic acid helps with spreadability, balancing oil production. It's the whole package.
It really sounds like a balanced profile, but wasn't there something else unique about it? Antioxidants.
Yes. That's where it gets really interesting. Gamma oryzanol, that's unique to rice bran. It's this potent mix.
Well,
Helps even skin tone, reduces inflammation, boosts circulation.
gamma oryzanol.
Yeah.
Got it.
Then you have tocopherols and tocotrienols, basically different forms of vitamin E, powerful antioxidants, fighting free radical damage, helping skin heal. They even help the oil itself last longer.
Ah, natural preservation.
Exactly. And ferulic acid, another antioxidant that actually stabilizes the oil and boosts the vitamin E effect. Plus phytosterols and squalene.
The squalene, like our skin naturally produces.
Yep, the plant-based version. Both calm and moisturize, help with elasticity, keep that skin barrier happy.
So all these antioxidants together, what's the main benefit? Especially for, say, mature skin.
It's huge. They work together to fight oxidative stress. That's the damage from pollution, sun, just daily life. They promote healing, make skin more resilient, calm inflammation. basically shield your skin.
Like a protective layer.
Pretty much. They
Yeah.
neutralize those damaging free radicals that speed up aging. So great for mature skin, damaged skin, even sensitive skin.
And you mentioned stability earlier.
Yeah.
That links to infusions, right?
Yeah. Absolutely. Its oxidative stability is excellent. It doesn't go rancid easily. And the smoke point is really high, like 230 Celsius or 446 Fahrenheit.
Wow, that's high for an oil.
It is, which makes it perfect for infusing cannabinoids like THC or CBD. You often need gentle heat for that, and this oil can handle it without degrading.
Okay.
Plus, it barely smells or tastes of anything, so it won't overpower whatever you infuse into it, whether it's a balm, massage oil, or even something edible. It's just a brilliant carrier oil for that.
Makes total sense. Okay, so let's focus on the skin itself. Why put this on your face or body?
No.
What are the direct benefits?
Right. It's a real skincare star. All those antioxidants we talked about, the vitamin E, gamma, oryzanol, ferulic acid, they're doing several things at once.
Look what?
Preventing premature aging, shielding from that oxidative stress, boosting microcirculation for a healthy glow, and supporting collagen production.
Collagen support is always good.
Definitely. And that translates directly into reducing the appearance of fine lines and even helping with those dark circles under the eyes.
Okay, so it's not just protecting, it's actively improving things.
Exactly. And it's a fantastic moisturizer. It's an emollient, but not greasy, softens rough skin, reduces water loss from the skin, that TEWL, transepidermal water loss.
Ah, yes, keeping moisture in.
Right. And if you deal with things like eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis, it's very calming, soothes that irritation. Plus, using it regularly can help brighten uneven skin tone, maybe even fade some hyperpigmentation.
And it brings that natural squalene, which we know supports the skin's own lipid barrier.
Yep. Keeps it supple, protected. And don't forget the B vitamins, B1, B3, B5, B6. They all help with healing, soothing irritation, even potentially helping with scar recovery.
Wow, it's really packed. What about clogging pores? Is it okay for oily skin?
That's another great thing. It's really mild and considered non-comedogenic. Its rating is low, usually a 2, so unlikely to clog pores. That makes it suitable for pretty much all skin types.
Even acne prone?
Yep, even acne prone. And it's so gentle, people use it for baby skin too, like a diaper area oil.
Okay, impressive for skin.
Yeah.
But you mentioned hair too.
Yeah.
It's not just for skin, it can do wonders for hair. That palmitic acid we mentioned helps soften hair that's maybe coarse, brittle, or damaged from processing, but without making it oily.
Interesting.
And the high omega-9 content strengthens the hair shaft, reduces breakage. Over time, that could mean thicker, stronger feeling hair.
And moisture. Dry hair sufferers want to know.
Yes. The balance of omega-6 and omega-9 helps maintain moisture and flexibility in the hair itself. So, less dryness, better elasticity.
Okay, what about the scalp? Does it help there?
It can, yeah. It can soothe an irritated, flaky scalp, helps with circulation up there, potentially reducing dandruff and just encouraging healthier, stronger growth from the root.
Nice. And frizz. Shine.
Definitely adds shine and smoothness. Good for taming frizz on damaged hair.
Yeah.
And traditionally, it's even said to help slow down premature graying.
Oh, that's a classic claim for some traditional ingredient.
Right. Plus, remember that high smoke point?
Yeah.
It acts as a natural heat protectant when you're styling. Blow drying, flat ironing.
Yeah.
It offers some defense.
That's actually really practical. And for colored hair.
The antioxidants help there too. They slow down the oxidation process that can make color fade, so it helps keep color looking vibrant longer. It really is a multitasker for hair.
From root to tip, sounds like. Any other uses?
Well, traditionally, it's seen as calming, centering. In Japanese and Ayurvedic practices, it's linked with balance, so it makes a really nice base for stress relief massage oils.
That makes sense. So how would you use it if you're making your own stuff? What concentration? You can basically use it anywhere from 5% all the way up to 100% neat. Because it's semi-fatty and absorbs well, it mixes easily with other oils, butters, whatever you're making.
Face serum, body butter.
Exactly. Whether you want something light or something richer, it plays well with others. Pretty forgiving.
And practicalities. Shelf life. Clogging pores again.
Shelf life is decent, about 12 to 24 months. And yeah, that low comedogenic rating of 2 is a big plus. Unlikely to cause breakouts for most people.
Good for lotions, creams, massage oils.
After sun products too, because it's soothing. And it's great for tweaking textures, lightening up a heavy oil blend or softening a really dense butter.
Right, gives you control over the final feel.
And circling back to the cannabis infusions, it's neutral profile, stability, high smoke point. It's just ideal. especially for decarboxylated cannabis where you need that gentle heat.
So you're making a topical balm or an edible?
It's perfect. You could say swap it into a body oil recipe you already like, maybe replacing a lighter oil just to get that antioxidant boost,
Right.
or add it to a soothing balm to enhance the antioxidants even more, help with collagen, brighten the skin tone. It just adds another layer of benefits.
Good tips. Any safety things to keep in mind? Storage.
It's generally very stable and safe for skin, low risk of oxidizing quickly thanks to those natural antioxidants. Store it cool and dark, like most oils.
Okay.
It's not phototoxic, so no extra sun sensitivity worries. And coming from rice, no known risk for people with nut allergies.
That's good to know.
But yeah, even though it's gentle enough for babies and sensitive types, always smart to do a little patch test first, especially if you're pregnant or using it on an infant. Just be safe.
Standard advice. Always good.
So yeah, wrapping it up, Rice Bran oil, it's kind of an unsung hero, isn't it? Super versatile.
Definitely seems like it.
It's light, non-greasy, but loaded with those antioxidants. Supports skin repair, hydration, the barrier. And that heat stability for infusions is just, well, brilliant.
So whether you're crafting that cannabis balm, a nice massage oil, or just a daily face or body moisturizer, Rice Bran oil is a really solid choice. Affordable, stable, packed with nutrients. It definitely punches above its weight class.
Absolutely.
And look, if hearing about this has got you curious and maybe you want to try making your own natural stuff, you really should check out that blog we mentioned, 420formulator.com. Seriously, it's packed with great info. Recipes for creams, lotions, essential oil details, guides for making things like body butters. It's a genuine goldmine of practical tips if you want to start formulating.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? How these, ancient traditions and pretty simple natural ingredients still offer so much in our, well, very modern world.
For more info, visit the blog 420formulator.com.